What is an egg wash substitute? An egg wash substitute is a fluid preparation containing one or more ingredients designed to replace an egg wash for glazing bread, pies, and pastry items. It can be formulated to fully or partially replace eggs depending on the type of finished application. Examples of ingredients used in egg wash substitutes include milk, cream, or butter, water, vegetable or olive oil, maple syrup or honey, yogurt, soy, rice, or almond milk, and fruit-based glazes. Similar to egg-based washes, egg wash substitutes can be topically applied to fresh, par-baked or frozen bakery products for a crunchy glazed crust. They can be also sprayed to coat the product after baking and before the product cools down. Why replace eggs in egg wash? Eggs and egg-based materials give food formulators and bakers several challenges such as availability and fluctuating prices. Eggs are the most expensive ingredient in bakeries, and there are frequent shortages in the supply. Quality and short shelf life. Enhanced functionality. Some egg alternatives provide better functionality and sensory properties than eggs in bakery products. Sustainability. Many bakeries and food manufacturers are implementing self-imposed sustainability programs to appeal to younger consumers. Safety. Salmonella outbreaks and avian flu disease are both causes for concern. Allergens. Using eggs requires segregating ingredients in production and warehousing areas. Nutrition and health. Eggs contain significant levels of cholesterol unlike plant-based ingredients, which are cholesterol-free. Lifestyle. Eggs are not compatible with vegans and vegetarian diets. Cross-contamination. Prevention requires special handling and storage in bakeries. Function. Eggs are an important component of bakery products' surface treatment. Their unique composition, mainly the presence of the natural emulsifiers and proteins, help with stabilizing the crust texture. Also, they provide color and visual appeal. Typically whole eggs, yolk, or egg white mixed with water or milk can be used in egg wash with the yolk providing darker finish. During baking, egg proteins unfold and cross-link, which squeezes out moisture to form a smooth web surface. Applications. The first step in choosing the right egg wash substitute is deciding on the desired functionality. There are several choices, including surface browner. When used to finish the surface of a bakery product, the mixture is brushed on prior to baking, usually an item with a crust such as pies, bread rolls, breads, Cornish pasties, empanadas, etc. Binder. When used as a binder, an egg wash can help the coating of food being dredged to stick on better. Pies or bread with decoratives. Salt in an egg wash helps break down the protein in the eggs, helping crumb coatings, etc., stick better to the wash. Ground spices such as cinnamon or nutmeg add surface flavoring and a bit of coloring. Hair oils, butter, and other lipid-based egg wash replacements will be too slippery to keep seeds, nuts, etc. to stick. Sealer. An egg wash can also seal the surface of a food item against moisture from the anticipated filling. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.